Good morning. I would like to present the publication Current Trends of Intelligent, Smart Packagings and New Medical Applications. New packagings for drugs and medical products are characterized by modern design and new features. They have attractive appearance and great usability. It is usually accompanied by functional materials and unfortunately by a higher price. In the market we can see also a lot of traditional, cheap products and inadequate packagings. New products are protected by active and intelligent packaging. Thanks to this, usage of products is easier and more convenient. Consumers, and especially patients, are safer. Next, direction is noticeable progress in bio and biodegradable materials structures adopted in medical applications. Especially medical packaging should protect the product, not allow diffusion, penetration of the product, and should not affect the change of ingredients in the pharmaceutical preparation. The requirements of the pharmaceutical industry are constantly growing and innovative medicines need innovative packaging. Increasingly, systems are used to monitor and inform the patient about the quality of the product, that is, intelligent packaging or smart packaging systems are used. Nowadays, the RFID labels, Figure 1, can store thousands of bits of information. This information can be written to the tag, changed or deleted as required. Electronic systems for blister pack packaging are also created that record the date and time of removal of the pill from the packaging. Such systems are provided with the ability to send audio and optical boosting signals. The pharmaceutical industry uses RFID, radio frequency identification, systems embedded in labels that allow monitoring the entire path of the product from production to the patient, allowing identification in the supply chain and faster detection of the cause of the potential defect. The cold mark indicators are also used for products sensitive to low temperatures. The indicator allows you to get information whether the product has been frozen or exposed to low temperatures. Such indicators have been used in the case of vaccines or medical testers. A small device can reveal all temperature overflows, which is very useful in the case of drug transport. Operates in a temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius with a precision of 0.5 degrees Celsius. The plotter is a small and powerful device that allows for easy placement in the desired place. Designing smart blisters is becoming more popular. Colpack is a technology solution that improves the quality of life of consumers by maximizing medication adherence. The solution consists of a smartphone application and smart medication packaging, which communicate together. Such systems are created as a result of many years of research and development in order to improve the quality of the product as much as possible. Such systems are affordable, accurate, and integrate with existing packaging systems. In the aspect of medical packaging, it is extremely important to use safe packaging when storing and transporting blood. Therefore, the use of packages with temperature indicators is one of the ways of confirming that the temperature of stored blood does not exceed 6 or 10 degrees Celsius. Such packaging ratios are extremely valuable due to the fact that they will reduce the costs caused by the loss of blood and blood products. Unnecessary blood loss or shortages can also put human lives at risk. The blood supply chain and procedure is very complicated. The blood units after donation are placed in cold containers for storage and transport to the blood bank. Then the blood is tested and stored according to the accuracy described by the standards. After ordering, blood products are placed in cool containers and transported to hospital, where blood products are stored by the hospital in accordance with the standards. At the doctor's request, the blood is packed and delivered to the patient and transfused if necessary. Temperature control usually involves red blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Blood products are often used to treat burns and sent abroad to save human lives. Typically, concentrates of red blood cells are stored in a refrigerator at +4 degrees Celsius. Blood plasma is frozen to -80 degrees Celsius. The temperature is constantly monitored and should be adequate and in line with the requirements. Very often, transport of blood and blood products to operating rooms takes place in the refrigerator. It is in this situation that temperature monitoring is particularly important. Hybrid systems based on biopolymers and inorganic polymers are becoming more popular. One of such combinations are the gelatin-siloxane materials. The metal material obtained in this way has the features of biodegradable gelatin and mechanical and thermal resistance, as well as the hydrophobicity characteristic of organosilicon compounds. It is also important to take into account the environmental impact when creating new technical solutions. More and more pharmaceutical companies are also taking care of the natural environment when creating new solutions. In recent years, the thermoform engineered quality system has been developed to reduce packaging costs associated with maintaining sterility and environmental impact. Tech's monopolymer sterile barrier system is also easier to recycle. The company introduced a co-extruded polymer for trays called T-Econics, TEX. It can be welded with an uncoated Tyvek coating. T-Econics consists of a high-density polymer co-extruded with a thin layer of polyethylene, which seals directly uncoated Tyvek in exchange for a traditional adhesive coating on the cover. New polypropylene options can provide durability, strength, or improved clarity, as well as help you achieve overall cost savings. An interesting alternative for polymer packaging is hybrid packaging. They combine the advantages of organic components with inorganic components. This ensures the creation of packages with new interesting features. Permission for obtaining monoliths, gels, powders, and even fibers. Creating eco-friendly and sustainable packaging is one of the most important tasks faced by companies serving the pharmaceutical industry. The safety of patients and the environment. In addition to the intelligent blister packaging, the MedIC Cool Blue Syringe Pack has been created, an electronic compliance monitor that combines the ability to track the dose removed from the syringe pack. The device allows to register the date, hour, but also indicates to the patient or caregiver the injection in a specific part of the body, arm, abdomen, buttocks, or thigh. The device is so complete that it allows also to monitor the storage temperature. It communicates with a smartphone and PC. When designing new packaging in the medical and pharmaceutical industry, attention is paid to the aspect of environmental protection. Traditionally, gelatin is used, a product of animal origin, for forming capsule shells. Traditional animal casings are increasingly replaced with natural, more environmentally friendly ingredients. Manufacturers of medical devices are trying to reduce the cost of manufacturing equipment while maintaining or improving the health of patients. In addition, saving material during production and packaging space is an important aspect. The dual-hoop catheter disc was created. Two mothers connected on one card, saving material and interiors. Combining new technologies together with ensuring the safety of the natural environment is increasingly used. Medical devices are increasingly being improved to ensure patient safety and minimize production costs. Clean Cut Technologies is launching the Vault packaging system as a protective yet economical alternative to traditional customized trays. The most popular flexible packaging found in healthcare facilities consists of high-density polyethylene, polyester, ethylene and vinyl acetate, polyethylene and nylon copolymer. Better characterization of these materials and understanding their properties will help assess their recycling value. This assessment is possible during mechanical, rheological, and morphological tests. At present, the design of safe packaging and the function of environmental protection are very often combined. Such packaging is made from primary or recycled materials and from sustainable sources. Products can be 100% recyclable. In the world, tens of millions of people monitor their health using wireless smartwatches, and also use electronic devices, e.g., to measure blood pressure. It is estimated that if scientists had access to the data collected in this way, even from several million users, and could analyze it, it would significantly facilitate research and development of new drugs. Also in this case, the use of drones can be of great importance. In 2017, the first flying defibrillator was launched in the United States. The device is the result of cooperation between Fleur-de-Roy, a drone design company, and an ambulance management company. In 2019, in North Carolina, a branch of the courier company Flight Forward began air delivery of prescription drugs directly to 2 sick homes. The service is provided in cooperation with the pharmaceutical company CVS Health. The drone moves in autonomous mode, but is constantly monitored by the operator. The consignment is lowered on a winch in close proximity to the house. The company has been authorized to act as an airline that uses drones. Pilots no longer need to maintain eye contact with the drone, expanding delivery options. The problem of medical waste recycling according to circular economy ideas is a big challenge for manufacturers of medical and pharmaceutical packaging. The protection of the natural environment should be combined with care for the health and safety of the patients. In the field of innovation, pharmacists find innovative solutions that improve logistics processes, transport, storage and drug dispatch. The use of modern design and graphic forms of packaging and automatic drug identification systems reducing the costs of logistics processes. Due to the COVID-19 epidemic, a significant decrease in the level of pollution could be noticed in many agglomerations. And although everything indicates that this effect was temporary, it clearly shows in which direction changes in our daily habits should go if we really want to reduce the negative impact of our actions on the ecological state of the planet. Overproduction of waste for disposal. And many commercial and service establishments have also been forced to limit the use of reusable packaging or packaging belonging to customers. Thank you for your attention.